outstanding individuals who have carried the banner of Riverview High School Incorporated with pride and excellence. First, let us welcome with heartfelt applause Mr. Arches 2023, Mr. Januli Pamplona from San Pedro Mabini, Pangasinan. He has embodied leadership, camaraderie, and resilience, standing as a symbol of youthful determination and the enduring pride of Riverview High School. Joining him in this farewell walk, we